Thank you for joining in today. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you can get notifications on all my new weekly art lessons. And in this video, I have a demonstration of another one of my Skillshare classes. So this will be a much longer tutorial, full length on my Skillshare. I'm showing a little sneak peek preview here. I will have the full drawing demonstration, and then I'll go into detail about the supplies and some watercolor techniques if you're interested in that, and some blending and different textures in the background. The full-length tutorial is a little over half an hour, and I will leave a link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.